Samsung just leaked the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. Base Galaxy S26 model stays at $799, same as Galaxy S25 series. Apple's doing it too, no price hikes this year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra gets Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 everywhere, but base models still face the chipset lottery. The Galaxy S26 gets a bigger 4300 mAh battery. The Galaxy S26 Plus scores exclusive 3x HDR. The S26 Ultra's privacy display blocks side snoops. Thinnest, lightest Ultra ever at 214 grams. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 crushes performance. 6.9-inch display hits 2600 nits brightness. Privacy screen works anywhere, anytime. Samsung trimmed fat without cutting durability. Up to 16 gigabytes faster RAM keeps you flying. 1 terabyte storage option returns for power users. Main 200 megapixel camera aperture opens wider. Telephotos get brighter apertures too. 50 megapixel ultra-wide stays excellent. Pro-grade telephoto system refined. Wider selfie camera fits everyone. New manual video controls for creators. All-day 5000 mAh battery stays same size. 60-watt charging halves your wait time. 25 watts faster wireless charging too. Worth upgrading from S25? Let's compare. The Galaxy S24 owners see bigger leaps. S23 or older? Massive upgrade territory. Samsung played it safe this year. The Galaxy S25 owners can probably skip. But is good enough anymore? Here's your personalized upgrade path. Battery strugglers get immediate relief. Night photographers notice apertures. Charge waiters love 60 watts. Gamers feel Snapdragon Gen 5. Office workers need privacy display. One-hand comfort finally arrives. Outdoor visibility crushes everyone. Video creators unlock pro controls. The Galaxy S27 rumors already sound crazier. Upgrade, skip, or wait? Comment now. Subscribe for weekly leak breakdowns. More leaks dropping this week. Sponsorships keep these videos free. Hours of research behind every video. Thanks to USA, UK tech fans especially. Timestamps help algorithm love. Thumbnails tested for maximum clicks. We'll catch you in tomorrow's leak. Peace out, hit that bell.